Hello guys, I hope you are all doing great. So in this tutorial, I will show you how to add signature in Outlook. Are you ready? So let's get it started. It's very simple. Open your Outlook app and then click on File. Then go down here. There is an click on Options. Okay, and this window will pop up. So here we have mail. Okay, so click on mail, and here create or modify signature for messages. Click on signature. So here you can add your signature. Click on new, give a name, for example, test, and you should name it anything you want. Okay, and here you can type your name, and then your address. Okay, and then your telephone number and email, and then click OK. Very easy. That's how you can add a signature in Outlook. So I'm gonna click on OK. Okay, then OK. And now if I want to send an email, as you can see, the signature will come here. That's how you can add signature in Outlook. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any question, just drop them in the comment section and I will be very happy to help with them. See you in the next video.